Hello, friends. Welcome. Today we have a fun story called Big, Bigger, Biggest. Are you ready? Let's begin. One sunny morning, a little boy named Tom found a balloon. It was a small red balloon. Tom liked the balloon. He decided to blow it up. He took a deep breath. Whoosh! He blew air into the balloon. The balloon got bigger. Now, it was a big balloon. Tom was happy. He tied a string to the balloon and went to the park. In the park, Tom showed his balloon to his friend, Lily. Lily said, "Wow, Tom, that's a big balloon." Tom smiled and said, "Watch this." He took another deep breath. Whoosh! He blew more air into the balloon. The balloon grew again. It was bigger now. It was bigger than Tom's head. Lily clapped her hands. "That's a bigger balloon," she said. Tom and Lily played with the bigger balloon. They tossed it up and down. It was so much fun. Then their friend Sam came along. Sam saw the balloon and his eyes opened wide. "That is a huge balloon," he shouted. Tom felt very proud. "It can get even bigger," he said. He took a very, very deep breath. Whoosh! He blew and blew and blew. The balloon stretched and grew. It was now bigger than Tom. It was bigger than Lily. It was even bigger than Sam. It was the biggest balloon they had ever seen. It was enormous. It looked like a giant red berry floating in the air. Tom, Lily, and Sam all looked up at the biggest balloon. "Wow!" they all said together. Suddenly, a little bird flew by. The bird had a pointy beak. It saw the big, red, shiny thing and was curious. It flew closer and closer. "Be careful!" shouted Lily. "Don't pop it!" shouted Sam. Tom held the string tightly. The bird gently tapped the balloon with its beak. Tap, tap. The balloon wiggled, but it did not pop. The bird chirped and flew away. Tom, Lily, and Sam were so relieved. They decided the balloon was big enough. It was the biggest, most wonderful balloon in the whole park. They sat under a big tree and watched their giant red balloon dance in the wind. Tom held the string, feeling very happy. It was a perfect day with a perfect balloon, and they all learned new words: big, bigger, and biggest. Are you ready? Let's say them together. Big. Bigger. Biggest. Great job. Did you like the story? Which balloon did you like best? Big, bigger, or biggest? Keep practicing your new words, and I'll see you next time for another fun story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more fun English lessons.